Welcome the AR channel. Today we how to improve AR experiences with Unity detailed guide step by step clearly. To start improving AR experiences with Unity, first, ensure you have the latest version of Unity installed on your computer. Open Unity Hub and create a new project using the 3D template. Set up your project's configuration by selecting the appropriate settings for AR development, focusing on platforms like iOS and Android. Next, install the AR Foundation package through the Package Manager. This package allows you to build AR apps for both ARKit and AR Core. Once the AR Foundation is installed, import the necessary AR packages that you will need for your project. Now, create an empty game object in your scene to serve as the AR session. Add an AR session component to this game object to manage the AR experience. Create another empty game object to serve as the AR session origin. Attach the AR session origin component to this game object, which represents the user's virtual position in the AR space. Next, add an AR camera as a child of the AR session origin game object. Configure the AR camera settings to handle lighting and rendering efficiently for your AR content. To deploy AR objects into the scene, create a 3D model asset in your project or import pre-made assets. Ensure your 3D model has the necessary components, such as colliders and rigid bodies if needed. Use the AR Raycast Manager to allow users to tap on surfaces to place AR objects interactively. On your AR Session Origin game object, add the AR Raycast Manager component. Create a script to handle user input and define how detected touches will place the 3D model in the AR world. In this script, implement raycasting to detect the surface the user has touched. Once a valid surface is detected, instantiate the 3D model at that position. To enhance visual fidelity, add a material with appropriate shader settings to your 3D model. Consider implementing lighting adjustments to ensure that the 3D model blends seamlessly into the real world. Add animations to your AR objects to provide a dynamic experience for users. You can achieve this by using Unity's Animator component and creating animation clips. Test your AR experience frequently using the Unity Remote app to get real-time feedback. Make adjustments to your scripts and assets based on the test feedback to ensure everything functions smoothly. Once satisfied with the performance, build your project for your target platform. Follow the platform-specific guidelines for deploying and testing AR on devices. Finally, gather user feedback to make further enhancements to improve the overall AR experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.